This is Bernadette from the Sachem Public Library, here to show you how to find out what your New York City ancestors' homes looked like in the 1940s. So for this tutorial, you'll need to have access to an ancestor that is listed in the 1940s census, and that lived in one of the 5 boroughs at that time. You can access the 1940s census on a couple of different websites, such as Ancestry.com, FamilySearch.org, and FindMyPast.com. With FamilySearch and FindMyPast, you'll need to create a free account. Here is an example of one I found on Ancestry.com. The information that we need from this record is the street name, house number, and the borough where they lived, which in this case is Kings, also known as Brooklyn. If it wasn't indexed, I can simply view this information on the actual census page. So I can find the street name on the left, along with the house number for my ancestor, and if I drag up, I can see the borough. Now that I know the address of my ancestor, I'm going to go to the website 1940's.nyc. This brings you to the New York City Department of Records site for the street view of the 1940s New York. So we're going to click Start Exploring, and we're going to enter our ancestor's address in the search bar in the top left. As you can see, while we were typing, the website gives us suggestions for an address. If you happen to see the address that you're looking for, feel free to click on it. If not, you can keep typing. And here it is, my ancestor's house. If I would like to order a copy, I can hit Order Print. If I would like to explore the surrounding buildings, I can just hit the black dots around. I can also take a look at what the building looked like in the 1980s by hitting 80s at the top. Also, feel free to drag the map around and explore any area that you are interested in. All of these black dots are an image. And that's it. Thank you for watching and happy researching.